Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. Before I start the video, please give me a like, subscribe, and comment. It definitely helps push my video out to other people that enjoy my stuff as much as you guys. So if you guys can definitely take a second out of your day, push the like button. Definitely helps push out my videos. With that being said, let's get started. Yesterday was an absolute destruction of earnings. I think everybody's earnings came out horrible. Amazon missed by 82%. Apple missed. Google missed. AWS has started to slow down. Um, I think retail missed by like 82% on Amazon. I don't know the numbers for Google and Apple, but I know Apple's units were a lot less than everybody expected. So overall, just a really bad earnings report. But you have been holding up extremely well on the SPX and the Nasdaq. So for now, my range today would be somewhere around 415 and 420 ish again, like 419 ish again, right, for the SPX. I am gonna be holding on to my shorts because I don't know how today's gonna play out. But I think if at open my shorts are open, my puts are worth like something crazy just because of IV. I will more than likely just sell them because it makes no sense for me to not sell my options at open because then I'd probably lose a shit ton of IV value. So we'll see at open how much they're actually worth. I only had Amazon puts. I had like 100. I had strike 100, and then I had like another strike for like 104 for Amazon. So those should be worth pretty nicely in the morning. So we'll see. For right now, I do still have my shorts open on Forex. Gonna leave those open. I don't mind leaving those open because it's just a regular short position. But this is basically your range today, right? This is basically your range. You drop under 414, under this low, you're probably going all the way back to 407. If you actually bounce from here, there's actually a slight chance that you keep pushing to the upside because you are holding up from yesterday's drop, and you didn't really drop all that much, honestly. And then on that 4 hour bearish trigger, you would have taken it right here at 415. You would have still been break even. So you are still under that close price, but not you didn't really drop significantly how I wanted to after hours. So that's why I want to see how we actually react during market hours. That's what I want to see what's going on. If there's a sell off, that's great. I'll continue to hold. If you end up, I'll see what happens if we actually come back up to 419 again today, which I do think is probably gonna happen. It's likely unless we see some more movement to the downside. So again, you are starting to see that movement to the downside now. If you actually manage to break this low before market opens, I'm definitely gonna be holding my shorts. Right, even after open and stuff. But again, a lot of things are telling me that we could actually push up during the market hours up here, at which if we do go up here, I'm just going to add a crap ton more shorts. I'll be completely honest. At 419, I'm shorting all of this area, this whole area up top here. I'm shorting all of this because I do think we're going to come right back down. I do think we've started pushing a lot higher, and this 415 to like 419 move, I think we're super overextended, right? I rarely use that word. I rarely use that, and I actually think we're extremely overbought right now. So again, if we do push up back up to here, if I open my shorts are worth a shit ton of money, I'm gonna sell them out and just wait it out. But if we do break under this low here, I'm probably just gonna keep holding. But again, two things that can happen really. I personally don't think that you're going to break these highs. So I think we're actually going to do something like this, right? And then come right back down and sell off to here, right? Or from here, we actually just sell completely off to completely sell out to like 407, something like that, right? Maybe not today. Well, this will probably happen in the span of maybe like, today towards like next week and stuff. But yeah, I think there's a high chance that you can actually see like 419 again today and then create a new lower high or a new higher low somewhere around this area. And then possibly next week is when you actually see that dump. So I might actually not take the risk of just holding my shorts and just sell them right now and then sell my Forex shorts right now and then sell my puts at open and stuff. So that's kind of what I think is gonna happen. I'm just trying to be on the safe side. You did break this high right here of range on this inside here, so you might actually come back to like 416 today. But again, also I'm looking at the DXY. DXY is looking pretty strong, right? It's same exact movement as the SPX, which is kind of funky, but again. SPY's looking like it's going to drop, right? So if this actually drops lower, sorry, the DXY, the dollar index, actually looks like it's going to drop. And I usually really like using the dollar for a clear direction of what's going to happen, right? So for right now, I'm probably gonna hold everything up until market open. I'll probably close my forex longs, like my forex shorts right now, just to be safe. But at open, I would not be surprised if we go all the way back up to like 419, create a new lower high, and then drop all the way back down again. So that's basically it. I don't really see any other thing playing out. For Amazon consistently keeps dropping. So I might actually, I'm more than likely I might just take the sell on Amazon and just hold and wait to see if we actually recover back up, because there's going to be a gap. There's going to be a gap to fill at 112 to 107. So you might actually drop here, come back up and fill the gap to 112, and then completely come right back down. So I'll see how much my stuff is worth in the morning, and then I'll just like sell everything off. But again, I do think there's a very high chance that you actually bounce from here where we are right now. Very high chance that you actually bounce all the way up, create a new higher low, and then come right back down. And I think that's where the actual drop is going to happen. So we'll see, right? It's really just if this bottom of the range breaks, short it. If this high of the range breaks at like 420-ish or 419-ish again, probably long, right? So with that being said, I'll see you guys later. Have a great day. I want the market to drop, basically. I don't think I need to do too much more, much more TA. That's kind of what I'm thinking is going to happen, right? Just so you can get an idea. Sell off here. If not, probably going to come up here, create a new lower, a higher low, and then come right back down. So, but we'll see what happens. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.